Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here with some more NASCAR Authentics from the 2019 Wave 5. We're going to do Chase Elliott's number 9 2018 Kansas Win Car. Here's a look at the back. Let's get this car out of the box as soon as I fix this. So let's get him out of the box. So here's the magnet, which is actually a sticker, which is like a sticker of the car, of the winning driver when they get it in victory lane. In here is Chase Elliott's car. Let's first take a look at the magnet. So the magnet is the flag with the sticker. It's like a sticker of where the drivers get the in victory lane. Let's take a look at the car. So Chase Elliott won in Kansas in 2018 with this Mountain Dew car, and it's a raced version. So it has some confetti, it has some burnt rubber marks, and also it's a playoff car, so it has the horn, which you see it right there. It has a green. It doesn't have the green spoiler, but it is in the playoffs. So it is Mountain Dew. It has the two black stripes on the in the top view with the gray number 9 with the black number 9 on the sides. You know, there isn't any. There is like a little bit of different color on his rim on the spoiler. There's Napa, and the Mountain Dew, which is straight across instead of this way. There's Mountain on top and Dew on the bottom. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.